I am Cecilio Relucio from the municipality of Cabiao, your Mr. Nueva Ecija 2025.
Congratulations, Cecilia, for winning Mr. Nueva Ecija 2025.
Hello po, good evening. I'm very happy for this.
Yeah, you are a teacher, right? Sinasabi mo yan kanina. So what do you think is the best lesson that you can give to others?
I think it would be always remain teachable. It's very important to always have that good balance of humility and confidence. And so I think that's something that I would like to share to the world.
It was a roller coaster ride for you kasi you beated parang mga giants or Goliaths of this pageant, di ba? Unexpected.
Well, to be honest, I manifested for this. But there are circumstances that might happen. So I think I'm just giving my best. And so whatever it is that will be given to me, I'm going to accept that with grateful heart.
The power of manifesting, right?
Thank you. Thank you po. Opo. Yes po.
Yeah. You are now a good representation of Nueva Ecijanos. So where do you think will that crown gonna put you in?
Well, I think this will definitely lead me to national pageant and opportunities that I really manifested. Like what you said, manifesting works, and also prayer works. I prayed for this, and I'm just really grateful to be here.
Yeah, speaking of national pageant, you will be competing already to Misters of Filipinas. So do you think you are already ready to get in to a national pageant?
I joined this pageant wanting to represent our province in a national stage, and so I would like to think that I'm not 100% prepared for nationals, but I'm gonna be prepared for that. So there's always room to improve.